our channel. Today's class I am going to teach about how to write the test bench Verilog HDL code for implementation of logic gate using 2:1 marks. So previous video we discussed the implementation concept. The logic gate is implemented by using 2:1 marks and also Verilog HDL code. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So it's a implementation diagram for AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Now I am going to write the test bench Verilog HDL code for implementation of logic gate using 2:1 marks. So as usual, first you write module, then module name is imp test. So implementation logic gate test bench. So it's a module name. Then declaration of input variables and output variables. While you writing the test bench Verilog HDL code, input is assigned as register and output variable assigned as wire. So here input variable is a and b. So reg a comma reg a reg b. So it's a input variable. Then come to output variable wire. So wire output and comma output or comma output not. So it's an input variable. So this one is the output variable. Then you write the module name. So that Verilog HDL module name is IMP-LO gate. So IMP-LO gate. So while writing the Verilog HDL code, so this name is given as the module name. So that name is reflect here. So IMP-LO gate. Then DUT. So DUT represent device under test. So within a bracket represent the instantiations. So A comma B comma output and output or output not. So declaration of instantiations. So initial, then begin the process. So here the input variable truth table is AB. So these two variable making 4 combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. So based on the input variable we get the output and output or and output not operation. So A equal to 1 tick B 0, then B equal to 1 tick B 0 after 10 nanoseconds. So first input is A value 0 and B value 0. Then after 10 nanoseconds change A value and B value. So A value goes to 0, B value goes to 1. So A equal to 1 tick B 0, B equal to 1 tick B 1. Again after 10 nanoseconds change A value and B value. So A equal to 1 tick B 1, B equal to 1 tick B 0. So after 10 nanoseconds A value 1 tick B 1, B value 1 tick B 1. So after 10 nanoseconds, so finish the operation. So del finish. Finish the operation. Then end. So this end for this begin and end module. Simple program for implementation of logic gate using 2:1 marks. So as usual, first you write module, then module name, input variable declare as register and output variable declare as wire, then A value and B value. So both the variables are changed after 10 nanoseconds. So first initially A value 0, B value 0, then after 10 nanoseconds A goes to 0, B goes to 1. Then after 10 nanoseconds A value goes to 1, B value goes to 0. After 10 nanoseconds A value goes to 1, B value goes to 1. So after 10 nanoseconds finish the operation, then end and end module. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.